Thanksgiving isn't just about the meal, it's about the moment. The table is where stories are shared, laughter fills the room, and memories are made. With a few thoughtful touches, you can turn any table into a warm, inviting centerpiece of gratitude and celebration. Get ready to create a Thanksgiving table that feels as special as the day itself. Today, we'll explore 3 simple steps to elevate your Thanksgiving table: setting the foundation, layering the design, and adding those heartfelt finishing touches. Whether your gathering is big or small, these ideas will bring charm, comfort, and connection to your celebration. Every beautiful table begins with a strong foundation. Start by choosing a base that sets the tone, something that feels warm, balanced, and inviting. The colors, textures, and overall layout create the atmosphere for your entire dining space. Think of your table as a blank canvas. The goal is harmony, making sure everything works together to create comfort. Once the base feels right, the rest will naturally fall into place. What's your favorite part of a Thanksgiving table? The food, the colors, or the company? Share your favorite detail in the comments below. Now comes the fun part, layering your design. This step brings personality and depth to the table. Combine textures, patterns, and soft lighting to build a cozy, welcoming look. It's all about balance, elegance meets comfort, classic meets creative. Mix light and dark tones, play with natural accents, and create gentle contrasts that draw the eye across the table. The secret is in the small details, those thoughtful touches that make your guests feel cared for and at home. If these Thanksgiving table decor ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love hosting and creating beautiful holiday tablescapes. Now it's time to bring everything together. The finishing touches are what make your Thanksgiving table memorable: the lighting, the placement, and the overall feel. It's about creating an atmosphere where everyone feels welcome and connected. Once everything is in place, step back and take it in. It's not just decor, it's the spirit of togetherness, reflected in every detail. The table becomes a symbol of gratitude and joy. For more seasonal decorating inspiration, hosting tips, and creative DIY ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for more festive home content. And there you have it, a Thanksgiving table filled with warmth, love, and simple beauty. It's proof that with a little creativity and care, you can create an atmosphere that brings everyone closer. Because the best part of Thanksgiving isn't what's on the table, it's who's around it. So this Thanksgiving, design with heart, decorate with gratitude, and enjoy every shared moment. Happy Thanksgiving!